Welcome back. In this video, we'll install everything we need to design and build a powerful website with WordPress using Elementor. Before we install anything, let's clean up the WordPress dashboard to keep things simple and clutter-free. At the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll see a tab called Screen Options. Click on it to reveal checkboxes. These checkboxes control what panels are shown on your dashboard. Uncheck everything you don't need, like Site Health, Quick Draft, or Welcome. Now the dashboard looks much cleaner and easier to work with. Next, let's delete the default content that comes with WordPress. Start by going to Posts, and you'll see a sample post titled Hello World. Hover over it and click Trash. This deletes the sample blog post. Now go to Pages and do the same. Delete any default pages like Sample Page. Let's also remove themes we're not using. Hover over Appearance, click on Themes. You'll see a few pre-installed themes like 2021 or 2023. We don't need them. We'll be using the Hello theme. Click on any theme you're not using, then click Delete in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. Repeat this for all inactive themes. Awesome! Your WordPress dashboard is now clean and ready to go. Now we'll install the Hello theme, Elementor, and other plugins that we will use. Let's start by installing the Hello theme, which is developed by the team behind Elementor. It's clean, fast, and perfect for custom design. Go to Appearance, then click on Themes. Now click the Add New button. You'll probably see the Hello Elementor theme right on the front page because it's a very popular theme. If you don't see it, just type Hello Elementor into the search bar. When you find it, click Install, and then click Activate. As I mentioned earlier, the Hello theme is made by Elementor. So when you install and activate the theme, it will automatically ask you to install the Elementor plugin. You can simply click the Install Elementor button to do that. But I want to show you the basics of how to install plugins. So instead of installing it from here, I'll show you how to do it from the Plugins section. We'll also install a few other plugins that we need for this website. Now go to Plugins. Click Add New and search for Elementor. Click Install Now, then click Activate. Now, it will ask you to connect your Elementor account. If you don't have one, just go ahead and create a free account and then purchase the Elementor Pro subscription. Once you've subscribed, you'll get access to the Elementor Pro plugin, which lets you unlock all the premium features of Elementor. I already have my Elementor Pro, so I'll be using that. Now, we're going to install WooCommerce. WooCommerce is the plugin that allows us to sell products online and turn our website into a full online store. Click Add New. Search for WooCommerce, click Install, and then Activate. You can skip the setup wizard for now. Now that you know how to install plugins, I'm going to install another optional plugin called MC WooCommerce Wishlist. This plugin adds a wishlist feature to your store so customers can save products they like for later. Now that we've installed the theme and all the required plugins, in the next video, we'll create the essential pages, set up the menu, and design the website header. Let's build something amazing. See you in the next video.